Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal credit debit card buttons in your Shopify store. This video is specific for Devel theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist of videos for different themes. So you can explore that playlist and definitely you will find one of such videos which is supported by your theme. So let me tell you the benefit of this feature. So basically in most of the cases we are doing drop shipping throughout the world, like international market. So to accept the payments internationally, we need a payment gateway, and in that case we only have the option of PayPal. But most of the customers don't have PayPal accounts and they prefer to do the payments using credit or debit cards. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can integrate that feature into your Shopify store so that you can collect the payments through cards. So on my screen you can see that this is the dashboard of my Shopify store and I have installed Dwell theme. If you have any other theme, then please refer to that playlist, and I have already given the documentation link below in the description. So you should click on that. Once you are clicking on that, then you will be getting all these files after downloading it. So you should open documentation-cart.txt. So in this file, I have already given a complete documentation which I will be following in this video step by step. So now the first step is that go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, and then click on snippets. So here we are in the dashboard. You will have to click on online store, then click on themes, and then you will be having this kind of screen. So firstly, you should take the backup of this theme, click on these three dots and duplicate this theme. So in that way you will have an original version of the theme. So later on if you have any problem or something, you can roll it back to original version. Once you've done this, then click again these three dots and click on edit code. Here you can see that we have some folders. So we need to click on snippets. Now again go back to the documentation and we have the second step, which is create new snippet PayPal-thankyou.liquid. So you need to copy this name and go back and click on new file and paste that name here, PayPal-thankyou.liquid, and press enter key. So in that way you will have created this kind of empty file which is for the snippet, and you should have to paste the code which I have already attached. So we have PayPal-thankyou.txt. Just open it up and copy the complete code, and then you should go back here and paste it. Once you pasted that code, then you need to save the changes and then close this file. Again go back to the documentation, and here we have the third step, which is create another new snippet PayPal-buttons-cart.liquid. So let me copy this, go back here and again click on snippets. So make sure you have clicked on snippets and then click on new file and paste that name PayPal-buttons-cart.liquid and press enter key. So in the same way you will have to see this kind of empty file. So you need to paste the code which I have already attached, PayPal credit card-cart.txt. So open it up, copy the code, and then go back and paste it right here. Once you pasted that code, then you should save the changes, and then after go back to the documentation again. Here is the fourth step, which is replace client ID with live client ID of your PayPal. So basically client ID means that in your PayPal account there is an ID which is helping us to connect anything to any other platform. For example, right now we are interested to deal with Shopify. So inside the Shopify code we have to add this client ID from our PayPal. So in that way the transaction will be done and money will be collected into our PayPal account. So basically this ID is connecting our Shopify with PayPal. So you will find it, I have already given the link below in the description for the video guide. So you should follow that video, and once you are getting that client ID, then go back, and I have added a test client ID right here. So you need to replace it with your actual live client ID. So we have two kinds of client IDs. One is sandbox and another is live. Sandbox is for the testing purpose, but here we are interested to deal with real transactions. So we need to add live client ID. So once you added that live client ID, then save the changes and then go back to the fifth step, which is you can update currency if you want. So here we have an option of currency change. So right now I have added USD. That means this is the default US dollars, But if you have any other currency, for example euro, so you can add the currency code EUR. So in the same way for other multiple currencies which are supported by PayPal, so you can add those. All right, so once you've done that step also, then you should go ahead with sixth step, which is go to snippets, open cart-summary.liquid and find checkout button. So here in snippets, you can see that we have snippets and we have cart-summary somewhere. So you can see this file cart-summary.liquid, and inside of this file we have to search checkout button. So let me find it here. So you can see that this is a button, checkout button. So using Control F you can actually find it, and here just below this button we are going to add one line of code, which is this one. So basically this line of code means that we are rendering a component. You can say that this is a snippet file which we already created here, so that is included into this file. So to cross check, you can actually press Control key and then click on it, and you will be redirected to that specific file which is included. So that's how you have actually included the actual code. Then go back and we have the seventh step, which is go to themes, click on customize, click on settings, click on cart and change cart type to page. So basically we are going here to the dashboard and click on customize, and here in the settings click on it. You should click on cart, you should click on page, and then you should actually save the changes. Again go back to the eighth step, which is go to assets, open component-cart-items.js and find update quantity function. So let me show you what exactly this means. You should go back here, click on assets, click on component-cart-items, and inside of it you need to find update quantity function. Copying this complete line, and then after searching it here, because we have multiple things related to that. So this is the function, and inside of this function we have another code, which is, let me word wrap this function, morph section. So let me copy this name from here and let me search it, and here you can see that this is a function call which is inside of this update quantity function. So just above this, which is around line number 167, so you need to paste 3 lines of code, which is this one. So let me copy and paste it right here. So once you paste it, then again save the changes and then go back to 9th step, which is the final step. Go to theme.liquid, find body tag, close body tag and paste code above it. So basically we are going to paste this line of code above the close body tag. So where we will be finding that body tag, you should go back here, click on layout, click on theme.liquid, scroll it all the way down, and here you can see that we have a close body tag, and just above this you need to paste this line of code. So basically this is a thank you page code which we earlier created. Like in the first step, you know, we already created this kind of snippet file, so that is included inside theme.liquid, and that's it. Now we have completed all the steps, and let's do the testing. So you should go back to the dashboard, click on these 3 dots, click on preview, and then you will be finding the home page of this theme which we are using. So basically we are using Dwell theme, and here you can actually choose any of the product. For example, I'm choosing this one and maybe this color, and click on add to cart, click on cart icon, and here we have the cart page. So inside of this cart page you can see that we have checkout button, we have PayPal button, and we have debit or credit card button. In some cases people don't need this PayPal yellow button, so how you can remove it? Go back, click on PayPal-buttons-cart.liquid, scroll a little bit down, and here we have funding sources. So inside this bracket we have paypal.funding.paypal and then comma. So you should remove this and save the changes and then refresh it again. And now you will see that yellow button disappeared, but right now I need it, so I am going to undo the changes and then again save the changes and refresh this page again. And here we go. You can see that yellow button appears. Now let me do a little testing. So click on debit or credit card button, and it will load a form where I can actually enter the details. So let me enter my enter the email ID. Then you need to add card details. So here I have my card details. So let me copy, go back here, paste it. Then we have expiry details. So let me paste it, and then we have CSC. And then you can actually add your billing details. So I am adding some test details here, and state is, for example, Florida. We have zip code, and then we have a phone number to add. So let me add it. And here we have another option of ship to billing address. So if you uncheck this, so we have the option of filling the details related to shipping address. So if you have same billing and shipping address, then you can keep it checked and then click on pay. Here we go. Now you can see that this is a confirmation pop-up, which is that confirmation ID, thank you Abdul, your order is confirmed, order details, contact information, shipping address. So all the things are written here. So the transaction will be like you have collected the amount in your PayPal account, and all the product details and shipping details will also be there. So that's how you are actually integrating this feature into your Shopify store. So let me know if you are facing any issue or something. So I will definitely help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.